Hi everyone, I wanted to jump in and talk to you today about how to use a post from your 2021 social media calendar. So you go into your drive where I've sent you your calendar. You jump in, let's have a look at January. That's what it is today. And it's Tuesday today. So we're going to share a tip on how to stay organized. So then we jump over into Canva when we create an Instagram post. We want to keep this branded into your own colours and your own fonts. So thinking about how to do that with your brand. So in Canva Pro, you can make your own colours and you can set them in here. So it's all good. So let's have a look at this. This is my brand colours around it. We don't need the news up there. So let's take that away. I will go down. I'll open up my folders. I'll go into my folder that has my logos and pop in a logo. No, I don't like that logo. I want it to have a transparent background. So I'd put that one up there. Okay, so what we're trying to do is ask people about their ways of organising things. So this is a conversational post, so we're trying to promote engagement. So how can you help me organise my office? This is actually quite relevant at the moment because I gave my computer desk to my son yesterday. So I'm looking for another computer desk, but in the meantime, my office is an absolute shambles. It's quite disgusting, to tell you the truth. So all I'm doing at the moment is just making that the right size, taking away that, and then using your own brand name, obviously, popping that in there. Digital Hub for Small Business. Okay, having a look. Now that isn't a quote, so we can probably take that out. How can you help me organise my office? Let's find a picture for this. That one doesn't suit, so we'll go over to the left-hand side. We'll look at photos. I'm going to type in office, see what comes up. That's sort of a corporate office. Maybe if I type in home office, something better will come up. Okay, that's not really showing. Maybe I'll put that one in there just because all of these other ones aren't actually showing me, and so and so that's not really relevant to my business. So let's just check on that. How can you help me organise my office? Digital Hub for Small Business. I've got my logo there. That looks good there. And all I'm going to do then is download that. Okay, so we're downloading that. That is in there now. And then we're just going to jump into, I'll just get rid of that. We're going to jump into your business page. So jumping into Facebook and your business page, going into publishing tools. Everyone's online at the moment. It's school holidays, so everybody's wanting to get in. Everyone's online and making things nice and slow. Okay, so write a little text. Now, this is actually true, so I can say this. I gave my office desk to my son yesterday, and I'm in the middle of cleaning out and organising my office. Do you have any great tips for me? Okay, so you can see here it's going up into the Facebook page, that's ticked, and then the Instagram page here is also ticked. So I'm just checking my copy. I gave my office desk to my son yesterday, and I'm in the middle of cleaning out and organising my office. Do you have any great tips for me? So we ask questions. This is a call to action. We're asking questions so people can start commenting and engaging on your post. Now, do you see down here it says customize Facebook post and customize Instagram post? So what I'm going to do is click on customize Instagram post. I'm going to go into a hashtag generator, which is called display purposes. Up the top, you can see that next tag. I'm going to pop in here, maybe organizing or organize. Yep, that looks good. So this is a hashtag generator that can give you hashtags up to 30. You can set the limit there. And it's just a really easy way of generating your hashtags. So you want to be changing your hashtags regularly. Instagram doesn't like you using the same hashtags all the time. And then I don't like my hashtags to be right in the post, so I put little dots and I put them at the base. Okay, now we need to add that video in, so we can just click on that. Not video. We need to add that photo in that we created in Canva. And then once it populates, we're just going to check and see if everything is organized. Okay, my office, yep, that looks good. Instagram looks good. Now, if you have a product post, I suggest tagging it, and you can, in order to do this though, you need to have already set up your products in Facebook Commerce. Once they're set up in Facebook Commerce, then set them up in the shop as well. Okay, so I actually want to say in here, image for, what's the word? Image for inspiration. This is not what my office is like currently. Let's make that a little bit of a LOL. And I'm going to make sure that that goes into the Facebook one as well. Customize the Facebook post. Beautiful. Okay. And then we can click publish down here, or we can click on the arrow next to it and we can schedule the post out. So I'm just going to publish this straight away, and that will go straight to Facebook and Instagram. I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you would like any other videos in any other what's the word I'm thinking of? Oh, my brain's gone on holidays. If you'd like any other videos in any other topic, let me know. Thanks. See you.